So I baked my muffins here today. So these are my horse muffins to give a supplement in, and I will attach the recipe. But here's what they look like when they turned out, and I will end up showing you the rest. So here's the putting in the, I can't do it with one hand. So anyway, I'm going to put it in there. It's the mixture in there. So this is what it looks like, pouring that into there. And then I just take the little top, just like kind of like a pumpkin, stick it on, and then these parts here, these little extra parts, I kind of just stuff them on the side, and there you go. Okay, so this is 2 pumps of the Osteo Max, and then I'm going to take powdered sugar and stir that up. That's the only thing people have said something about Jell-O, but I couldn't find any unsweetened Jell-O, and all I could find was strawberry, and I'm not sure whether horses like strawberries or not. They might love it. I don't know. So I didn't use Jell-O, but I might try that again. Anyway, I'm going to mix this up, and then I'm going to cut me another muffin. Okay, I've got my 4 muffins, and I'm going to get ready to cut round circles. So I will show you when I get done. Alright, so I have my muffin ready. As you can see, I've cut the top off, but I stayed with inside this crusty rim. And then I can put that back on when I get it filled, and then I kind of use that to seal on the sides. So these little to-go things that you keep from takeout food work really good, and I just fill it up, throw them in the freezer, pull them out, keep them in the fridge as I'm using them, and we'll see how the horses like them, because this is a different recipe.